All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today, we're going to be talking about BNB cryptocurrency. This token is down right this second. Could be a good discount buy. We're going to go to their Twitter page, look at their website, and kind of talk about BNB. Tokens used all the time when you're transferring things and swapping things, so we're going to go over that. Also, the taxation this year about cryptocurrency. What are the consequences if you don't put it on your tax returns? It's going to be the little box that says you have cryptocurrency. It says you can even have criminal things against you if you don't put it on there. So we're going to kind of cover that a little bit. Again, on this channel, we like to bring all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, taxes of crypto. I know a lot of people don't like to pay taxes. I actually got asked by a viewer, why should we pay taxes? It's not me to debate it and stuff. I'm just sharing this with you about what they're saying about it. So I'm going to kind of bring this to your attention. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day even own some cryptocurrency. All right, let's head over to BNB. All right, BNB on CoinMarketCap is number 4. Here's the big thing. It's down 19% in the last 7 days. It did bounce back and retract about 3.5% today, but clicking it, 382. So this token is being traded at 382, up about 3%. Take a look in the last 7 days, 382. Just within the last 7 days, this token was 477. So it's on a down thing right now. We'll do a price prediction when we get done. Going back to the month, 526, and actually got to 589. So it says, what is Binance Coin, BNB? It was launched in 2017. Binance is the biggest cryptocurrency exchange global based on daily trading volume. Binance aims to bring cryptocurrency exchanges to the forefront of the finance activity global. The idea behind Binance's name is to show the new paradigm in global finance, binary finance or Binance. Aside from being the largest cryptocurrency exchange globally, Binance has launched a whole ecosystem of functionalities for its users. The Binance network includes the Binance Chain, the Binance Smart Chain, Binance Academy, Trust Wallet, and research projects, which will all employ and power the blockchain technology to bring new age finance to the world. Binance Coin is an integral part of successful functioning of many Binance sub-projects. All right, so there's a little bit about BNB. Over here on their Twitter account, it says the world's leading blockchain ecosystem digital asset exchange, Binance. Join our Year of the Tiger 1000 rare merch giveaway. Let's see if crypto Twitter loves cats and dogs. So we got 1,000 plus merch giveaway right here. The Binance cat and the Binance dog. Pretty cute. Here's the one I wanted to share with everybody. Hard wallet. An important asset if you're holding your own crypto. Here are some reasons why. Why do you use a hard wallet? Okay, number one reason, hard wallet provides offline code storage, private keys offline, reducing the risk of hacking, accessing your funds remotely. They often provide industry-leading security, and you'll always have full control of your assets stored on one safe place. So right here, why you use hard wallet with Binance, you can actually order this. Pretty awesome stuff. And it says right here on Binance, are you excited for the metaverse? Yes or no? Read this. What is the metaverse? Binance Academy. The metaverse is a concept of online virtual reality world that combines crypto finance work and social media in 3D gaming. So the nice thing on the website here, it has a full-blown everything, what the metaverse is, why you want to do it, the blockchain, metaverse, applications, the introduction, all kinds of good stuff there. So that's right here on the Twitter account. So if you want to know more about the metaverse, you can go right to Binance's Twitter account. All right, so a little BNB. Cryptocurrency is down right this second. We'll come back with the price prediction a little bit later. So what about taxes on cryptocurrency? Again, I know people are wondering what's going on with it. We're going to kind of dig into this just to give you guys a little view of why it's so important this year to make sure you claim your cryptocurrency. And it says right here, CNBC, you're playing with fire if you don't report it. What happens if you don't disclose crypto activity this tax season? Here it is. Here's what they say. There's a question about virtual currency on the front page of your tax return. It's making it clear you will need to disclose your cryptocurrency activity. If you don't report transactions, you may face the IRS audit. You may be hit with interest, penalties, and even criminal charges. You're playing with fire if you don't report it. David, a CPA and a tax specialist, product manager. So there's your cryptocurrency. You see some Dogecoin. You see some Bitcoin right there. After recent market dips, reporting last year's cryptocurrency profit on your tax return may be less appealing. But hiding taxable activity may lead to IRS trouble, experts warn. In 2021, the digital asset market sale passed $2 trillion, with Bitcoin peaking at roughly 69,000 in November. Ether grew almost to 5,000 during the same period. So Ethereum grew to almost 5,000. While values dropped in December, many investors still have sizable gains. And the IRS made it very clear they are watching. And yes, no questions about virtual currency. It is near the top of the page of your tax return. This is where you hammer close down because you can say that you lied on your government documents under penalty. It says how crypto tax works. Crypto may be subject to capital gains when exchanged or sold as a profit. Swapping digital coins, cashing out for US dollars, or even making purchases, taxable events. The gain or loss is the difference between the purchase price, known as basis, and the value in selling the exchange. Your tax rate depends on the length of ownership. And they give some examples here. Long-term gains, taxable income. So they got a 0%, a 15% tax, and a 20% tax. And it shows you right here, how much you have to get taxed on. Married, joint filing. So married is going to be a little bit more, obviously. If you held digital assets for more than a year, you might qualify for long-term gain rates of 0.0%, 15%, or 20%, depending on your taxable income. However, many crypto investors sell or exchange more frequently, according to the CNBC's survey, triggers short-term gains levied at a regular income tax rate up to about 37% for top earners. What's worse is figuring out the basis to calculate your crypto bill. May or may not be easy, limited reporting on your digital currency. So again, everybody, just kind of sharing. You're playing with fire if you don't report it. It's all up to you what you do, but I like to bring information to you about cryptocurrency, taxes, and crypto. This is kind of important. You decide, go with your accountant and kind of go over it, but pretty interesting stuff here. All right, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. All right, so now BNB. Let's go back over there, look at a little price prediction, dig into the website a little bit. So right here on Binance's website, BNB, buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrency. Trade over 50 cryptocurrencies with low trading fees. Get started. It says new to cryptocurrency, create an account in minutes. Reoccurring buys, low-cost trading. It's got advanced security, plentiful pairs, and very, very low fees. Get in touch and stay in touch. Binance.us. Here in the US, a lot of people like this. And there's all kinds of coins that you can buy in your Binance account. All kinds of coins you can sell on your Binance account. Up here at the top, it says trade. Click advanced trading. So they have a whole entire advanced trading customer in your trading interface. Kind of teach you and train you. All right, back over here at CoinMarketCap. So this token is at $383. And we know that in the last 3 months, it went all the way to $589. So that's $200 more. What's my price prediction? I think this coin bounces back to $410, $420, $425 in the next month or so. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only. But if you go and look at the stats and the tracking, it was $200 up. Now, everything is down right now. I went and looked at CoinMarketCap the other day. There were 71 straight coins that were down. So everything's been down recently. So this coin is down. But BNB is very common. People use it all the time. Binance is just a fantastic platform. So all kinds of good stuff going on with that. All right, number 4 here. Ethereum is down 22% in the last 7 days. Discount buy possibly. Bitcoin's at 36.8. All right, everybody. So paying your taxes with cryptocurrency, take it up with your accountant. Just be aware that you're supposed to do that. It's totally up to you what you do with your taxes, but I would circle back with an accountant and kind of go over that. I know it's on the front page. BNB, down right this second. Could this be a good discount buy? Again, don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Monday through Friday, we're bringing a video every day at noon. Bonus videos around 5 and 8 o'clock. All right, everybody, we'll see you tomorrow at noon.